I have been associated with the Femina Women of Worth Awards since the very beginning, and you've been seeing me at the press conferences every year. And every year we're trying to, make it better, and we're trying to make it more worthwhile. I think that's the best way to put it. And to award women who are, exemplary in their field. They're doing something for society, for culture, for Indian society, for Indian culture, and trying to be women who are just extraordinary. And it is an absolute honor to represent these awards right now and to be a part of them. And it's quite humbling, actually, because I don't think my achievements are even 5% of what these women have achieved. And I think this event gives them a platform to be famous for it. And it actually helps them build on their brand of what they're trying to do. And so I thought I could use my celebrity status for something good and something worthwhile. And I'm very grateful to Femina and to L'Oreal, who I have been associated with since the beginning of my career, for having me do this. And thank you for having the faith to think that I'm the correct brand ambassador for this and this. मेरे ज़िंदगी में awards honestly important है, क्योंकि हम सब बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, और just to be around people who are achievers and just to be on the same platform as them, whether it's for acting, whether it's even for fashion, whether even if it's for any sort of achievement like Women of Earth, it's important क्योंकि हम सब ज़िंदगी में recognition के लिए और इतना मेहनत करते हैं कि अगर हमें वो recognition मिलता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो it's just a validation कि हमने ज़िंदगी के साथ, हमारी अपनी ज़िंदगी के साथ कुछ अच्छा किया है.
Iconic women will be many. I can talk about one that has inspired me, and that's, she's not even an Indian, but this is Aung San Suu Kyi, somebody who inspired me to even become a journalist, because it was her journey that was very interesting. She was in, sorry, what happened? What was that?
No. She put sugar in her coffee.
Okay, all right.
Sonam does have
that.
Yeah, my God.
So yes, I'd say Aung San Suu Kyi, and Sonam has sugar, yes.